Hello, in this video I will show you how to change heading size in Microsoft Word. If you want to change the heading size in a Word document, then follow the simple steps. First you need to select the heading and then at the top of the Word document you will see Home tab, and then in the Font group you will see a drop down menu with numbers, for example 11, 12 and 14. Here you need to select the font size. For example, I am selecting 12, and here you can see the heading size has been reduced to 12. So here you can pick the preset size from the list or manually type in a number. For example, double click on that or a simple click and put the number 14, and you will see that the font heading size has been 14. If you are using Word built-in heading styles like heading 1 or heading 2, here you can see the heading 1 and here is the heading 2. So it's up to you the which heading is are you using. So then what you have to do is on the heading 1 click on right click and then click on the modify. In the modify menu, you will see that formatting in, and here under the font, you can reduce the size of heading. And in the preview menu, you will also see that the heading is reduced. Click OK to save the changes. And in this way, you will easily change the heading size in Microsoft. Moreover, if you want to use shortcut key, then you have to press Control, Shift and greater than key, and you will see that the heading size is increasing. And if you want to decrease the size, what you have to do is press Control, Shift and less than key. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.